Why so hot in Tayabas City? I am lived in Tayabas City. Why it's so hot? I feel so hot.
You know why it's hot? Because it's so hot in Philippines. And in Manila City to Tayabas is 133 kilometers. Because the Manila City is so hot. And without trees in my you know about it.
I know it. Bye guys. Don't forget like and share and subscribe for my videos on YouTube guys. Bye guys.